Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to publish your Canva design to Facebook. This is a quick and easy way to share your posts, graphics, or marketing content directly with your audience. Let's get started. On your Canva dashboard, open the design you want to publish. Then click the Share button in the upper right corner. Once we click Share, all we need to do is click See All at the bottom of the panel. Once we click See All, a new set of options will appear. We can then scroll down to the Social section, where we will find Facebook. Click on Facebook, and we will see a few connection options. This is where we connect Canva with Facebook, so we can publish our designs directly without having to download and re-upload them manually. This saves time and keeps our workflow simple and efficient. Once we are ready, we just need to click here and add a caption for our post. Next, we select the page we want to publish to. If we are not logged in, we can sign in or add another account here. Once everything looks good, just click Publish Now, and our design will be uploaded straight to Facebook. And that's how we publish Canva designs to Facebook. It's a simple way to share content faster and keep our audience engaged.